Hi, and welcome to Frederick Foot and Ankle. Come on inside, I'll give you a tour. Here at Frederick Foot and Ankle, we treat all ages, from children to infants, and we treat, well, you can see, anybody. Here's the shoe store. We carry a wide variety of shoes that help, especially with heel pain. We have Bionics, we have Allegrias, and we have a large selection of diabetic shoes. We also have a large selection of foot pads, stockings, slippers, flip-flops, and everything to make your feet feel good when you're walking. All of our treatment rooms are set up the same way. That noise you hear is somebody's removing a cast. We have electronic medical records, so all of your records can be accessed from any location and anywhere. We have a large variety of equipment to help you feel better too. Here's one of our diagnostic ultrasound machines that helps us look into your soft tissue of your foot. Let me take you over to the x-ray machine. This is our checkout area, and here's an x-ray machine. We have 2 machines on site. Here we have 2 machines to help patients. This is our custom scanner for orthotics. It does a 3D scan, and we can send orthotics, which are arch support specially made for your feet, to a lab, and they come back perfectly fitted for your foot condition. At Frederick Foot and Ankle, we sponsor many community events. We're especially excited to sponsor the Frederick Half Marathon. We want you to know that no matter what your fitness goals are, foot and ankle pain can keep you from achieving them. Whether it's just walking around the block, running the 5K, or running a half marathon, or even a full marathon, we're here to help you with any of your foot and ankle needs.